gentlemen, we are delighted to welcome you to a night of theatre, music and magic, a celebration we have all been looking forward to. We begin the evening on a solemn note.
We proudly celebrate 150 years of Vande Mataram, the immortal patriotic song composed by Rishi Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. For a century and a half, the words have ignited courage, unity and pride in the hearts of billions of Indians, awakening a spirit of togetherness.
Before we move forward with this evening's proceedings, we would like to hear from the person who leads our school with purpose and clarity. May I now invite our principal, Mrs. Sarmishta Sen, to deliver the inaugural address.
Good evening and season's greetings to all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our eminent guest, Mr. Jerry Arathun, guest of honor, Mrs. Anita Arathun, the former principal of our school, Mrs. Beula Raju, distinguished principals and heads of schools, and Brother Miranda, who has a special place in my heart. We are truly privileged to have you all amongst us. We are deeply honored by the presence of our founder, Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee, co-founder, Mrs. Nanu Mukherjee, and esteemed board members whose guidance continues to shape our journey. We warmly welcome all parents and family. Thank you for your support and encouragement and for joining us tonight, this evening. I welcome our alumni whom we fall back on from time and again. Thank you, Horizonians. Tonight we gather not only to celebrate the artistic talents of our students, but also to honor the value we stand for as a school. Our motto, illuminate the light within. Can we have some light there? Our school motto, illuminate the light within, beautifully captures our mission to recognize and nurture the unique spark that lies in every child. As educators, we envision a society free of barriers, one built on empathy, tolerance, and respect. A society that raises children to celebrate diversity and understand that differences are not obstacles, but opportunities to learn and grow together. This belief is deeply woven into the performances that you will witness shortly. A short play, Hishuram Hushiare's Diary, speaks of friendship among individuals with differences and the profound harmony that comes from coexisting with nature. It teaches us that acceptance begins with understanding. While the senior school will take us through the drama Take the Lead, this drama highlights children often labeled as backbenchers and mischief makers. Yet, through the unwavering support of a compassionate teacher, their lives are transformed. This story is a powerful reminder that we should never give up hope. For every child has a mettle, a brilliance that simply awaits recognition. These are not mere stories, ladies and gentlemen, rather a real-life narrative that we come across every day in every school. With empathy and courage to look beyond labels, we can help every child shine. It is truly a pleasure and an honor to have each one of you here this evening. Thank you for joining us in celebrating not only art, but also values that the school upholds. Wishing you a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Music has a way of reaching us long before words can. It slips past boundaries and transcends languages. Like a mosaic, each note carries its own meaning. Yet, together, they create a harmony that unites us all. This evening, we invite you to sit back and allow these timeless tunes to weave their way into your hearts.
Teach me to दफा मैं ढूंढा तुझे, कितनी दफा मैं ढूंढा तुझे, कितनी दफा मैं ढूंढा तुझे। रहता तो मिल जाता,
As we continue this evening's celebration, we take a moment to acknowledge a distinguished presence in our midst. It is now my privilege to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Jerry Arathun, former Chief Executive and Secretary of the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations. Mr. Jerry Arathun is an educationist who served the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, CISCE, in several important roles, eventually becoming the Chief Executive and Secretary. He has served for a glorious period of more than 21 years in the CISCE. Mr. Arathun played a key role in modernizing the CISCE. With the new Education Policy 2020, he has encouraged students to think and analyze rather than memorize. With utmost respect, may I invite Mr. Jerry Arathun to grace the stage. I request our principal, Mrs. Sarmishta Sen, to join us on stage and kindly felicitate our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest of the day, Mr. Jerry Arathun. With profound respect, it is now my privilege to invite our chief guest, Mr. Arathun, to address the gathering.
Respected founder of Young Horizons School, Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee, co-founder, Mrs. Nanu Mukherjee, Mrs. Sangeeta Mukherjee, other members of the Board of Trustees, the Principal, Mrs. Sharmishta Sen, heads of schools, Mrs. Beulah Raju, former principal of Young Horizons School. I'm so happy that she's here to join us in the celebrations. Distinguished guests, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students. It's indeed a privilege and also a pleasure for my wife and me to be present here this evening for your concert. A concert, a night of music, theater, and magic. Music and theater not only just entertain us, they transform us. Music has the ability to express what words sometimes cannot. And a single melody can lift our spirits. Theater, on the other hand, brings stories to life in the most powerful way through characters, dialogue, movement, and emotions. And when music and theater come together, they create pure magic. Events like this remind us that learning is not confined to textbooks and classrooms only. It lives in the joyful spirit of education, where children find the platform to display their talents. Young Horizon School bears witness to the shaping of thousands of students' futures who have passed out from the portals of this esteemed institution over the past 5 decades. May the services rendered continue to explore new avenues and continue to usher in new eras in the field of education, where the emphasis is on imparting holistic education, character formation, personality development, and social consciousness. It is no wonder that the students of Young Horizon School have a competitive edge over many others in the state of West Bengal. In the newly emerging global society, a society which is evolving faster than ever before. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the prize winners of this evening for all the hard work and perseverance that you have demonstrated throughout the years. This is the time to honor each one of you, prize winners, and it will be your moment of glory as you come up on the stage to receive the fruits of your labor. I would like to congratulate the principal, Mrs. Sharmista Sen, who has taken the school forward under her gentle and able dynamic leadership. Behind the success of every student is the teacher. My dear teachers, you are an important pillar of this school. Your hard work, dedication, and loyalty makes all the difference to this institution. Now, parents of this school, no school can function without your cooperation and understanding. In conclusion, I would like to congratulate Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee, founder of the school, who has been the pioneer and inspiration of Young Horizon School, along with the managing trustees over the years. I wish this school continued success as it nurtures young minds, and I pray that this institution be the lighthouse of service, love, communal harmony, and peace to his neighborhood. God bless you all.
I request Sir to be on stage as we move into the next segment of the evening, one that recognizes excellence shaped by dedication, discipline, and determined effort. Tonight, we honor those whose excellence in learning has set them apart. We begin by felicitating the topper of ICSE 2024, Nilarko Pahari, who secured a remarkable 99%. Nilarko has earned top national and international ranks across a wide range of science, mathematics, astronomy, and technology competitions, consistently emerging as a leading young scholar in his field. In recognition of his achievements, he was invited to witness the launch of ISRO's Aditya L1 space mission. Congratulations, Nilarko. A huge round of applause for Nilarko Pahari. We proceed to felicitate the topper of ISC 2024, Niladri Brahmachari, who secured an impressive 94%. In the face of the heartbreaking loss of his father, Niladri displayed unwavering focus and remarkable strength of character. Rising with grace through an incredible difficult time, he achieved academic excellence that stands as a testament to his spirit. Our heartiest congratulations to the 2024 toppers, Nilarko and Niladri. Turning from the toppers of 2024 to the achievements of 2025, we felicitate the topper of ICSE 2025, Riddhiman Chattopadhyay, who achieved an exceptional 99%. Known for his calm and composed nature, Riddhiman combines quiet confidence with a sharp intellect and steady consistency. His sincerity, discipline, and focused approach truly set him apart. Riddhiman was joined at the top by another performer. We honor the joint topper of ICSE 2025, Sheikh Afra Anjum, who also secured an outstanding 99%. Gentle in manner, sincere in effort, Afra is guided by quiet determination and a strong belief in hard work. Her journey reflects how consistency and positive spirit lead to success. It's time to honor the topper of ISC 2025, Anushka Boshak, who secured an excellent 98%. In ICSE 2023, Anushka achieved an exceptional 99%, earning the distinction of ranking 4th in the country. Her remarkable accomplishment was further acknowledged when she was honored by the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Congratulations to all the toppers of 2024 and 2025. Can the applaud be louder, please? As we bring this segment to a close, we offer our sincere gratitude to you, sir, for graciously presiding over the celebration of excellence and for sharing these proud moments with our students. We are extremely fortunate to have our guest of honor, Mrs. Anita Arathun, with us this evening. Mrs. Anita Arathun is a respected author and a master trainer in her own right with an extensive teaching experience. May I now invite Mrs. Anita Arathun and our co-founder, Mrs. Nanu Mukherjee, to felicitate the recipient of the Founders Award 2025. I now invite Ms. Sangeeta Mukherjee, a trustee, to come on stage to felicitate Mrs. Arathun. As we move forward in the evening, we come to a moment that holds special significance in our school's journey, the presentation of the Founders Award. Instituted in the Founders' 70th year, the Founders Award honors the quiet strength that does not seek attention and the courage that rises silently in the face of difficulty. It recognizes a young individual whose journey reflects resilience, self-reliance, and the rare ability to move forward with dignity and quiet determination. This year, the Founders Award is conferred upon Tanveer Haq, a candidate of the ISC examination 2025. Despite experiencing personal loss at a young age, Tanveer faced his challenges with quiet strength, remained focused and sincere in his efforts. His courage, integrity reflect the true spirit of the Founders Award. Ladies and gentlemen, Tanveer Haq, the recipient of the Founders Award 2025. I thank Mrs. Anita Arathun, Mrs. Nanu Mukherjee, and Mrs. Sarmishta Sen for presenting the awards and for adding such meaning to this moment. Now that we have reached the lighter side of the evening, it's time to relax, smile, and enjoy a dash of delightful nonsense, the kind only children and great writers can create.
Our next presentation is by the junior school students based on Heshoram Hoshiare Diary, a charming work written by the legendary Shukumar Ray, whose wit and imagination transformed Bengali children's literature through classics such as Abol Tabol and Pagla Dashu.
This whimsical tale takes us on an adventure filled with laugh-out-loud moments, yet beneath the humor lies a remindful message about acceptance and celebrating differences.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to step into the world where the unusual is wonderful and the impossible feels real. Presenting Heshoram Hoshiare Diary.
Stories are woven into our childhood. They are like shadows that walk with us through every page and every corner of our lives. যা খুলে দেয় জানা অজানা জট, বলে দেয় উচিত অনুচিত, রাইট ফ্রম রং। তাই গল্পের গুরুত্ব আমাদের জীবনে অপরিসীম। Our story today is soaked in the very flavor of our childhood. Here comes Madhavilata Datto, bringing her story to life. A remarkable woman of around 50, pete khato manush, draped in lal par shada shari, with a bright red bindi, has set out for a morning walk like every other day.
আরে দিমা দিমা, তোরা আবার এসেছিস? আজকে তো রবিবার দিমা, আজকে তো আমাদের গল্প শোনার দিন। হ্যাঁ, এই তো রবিবারটুকু অপেক্ষা করে থাকি তোমার কাছে এসে একটু গল্প শুনবো বলে। হ্যাঁ একটা আজকের গল্প কিন্তু একটু অন্য রকমের। শুনবি তো? হ্যাঁ শুনবো শুনবো। তুমি যে গল্প বলবে সে গল্পই শুনবো, কিন্তু অন্যরকম মানে কি রকম গল্প গো? এক অভিযানের গল্প। অভিযান? হোয়াট ইজ অভিযান মানেও জানিস না? অভিযান মানে এক্সপিডিশন। ও এক্সপিডিশন। তোরা বাংলাটা একেবারে শিখছিস না। আচ্ছা দিম্মা, এই গল্প কি সত্যিকারের অভিযানের নাকি তোমার কল্পনা?
গল্প হচ্ছে হেসরামের অভিযানের গল্প।
হেসরাম?
এ আবার কি নাম? হেসরাম এ আবার কারো সত্যিকারের নাম হয় নাকি? তার মানেই এ তোমার কল্পনা।
বলেছিলাম না দিম্মা, এ গল্প তোমার কল্পনা।
হেসরাম ঠিকই বলতো রে। এখনকার ছেলে মেয়েরা সব কিছু হেসেই উড়িয়ে দেয়। সে জানতো যে ওর এই অদ্ভুত অভিযানের কথা কেউ বিশ্বাসই করবে না। তাই তো সে ওর ডায়েরিটা আমাকে দিয়ে যায়। এবার তোরাই বিচার কর, এ গল্প সত্যি না মিথ্যে?
আচ্ছা দিম্মা, সত্যি কিন্তু বলো না দিম্মা, একটা বলো না।
মন দিয়ে শোন, কেউ কোনো কথা বলবি না মাঝখানে। হেসরাম তখন কারাকোরামের এক কোণে বন্দরপুর পাহাড়ের পাদদেশে। দলে হেসরাম, সঙ্গী চন্দ্রখাই, ভাইপো চঞ্চল, শিকারী চেরা সিং, হুমরা সিং, ল্যাংরা সিং এবং দুই কুলি হক্কর সিং এবং লক্কর সিং।
সব জিনিসগুলো মিলিয়ে নে রে। সব জিনিসগুলো ঠিক আছে তো? দেখে নে, আমি এক এক করে বলছি। বনভিটা?
বনভিটা?
হ্যাঁ বাবা আছে।
বনভিটা?
বিস্কুট?
বিস্কুট নেই।
এই তো বাবা নিয়েছি। পাউরুটি?
পাউরুটি?
এই তো বাবা আছে।
জেলি? জেলি?
এই তো বাবা এইখানে।
জ্যাম? জ্যাম?
মামা এখানে এত জ্যাম আছে যে অভিযান থেমে গেলেও চলে। আমরা এখানে বসে সবাই পিকনিক করতে পারবো মামা।
উফ, তোরা থাম তো সবাই। পিকনিক করার কাজ নেই তোদের। দেখ কত দেরি হয়ে গেছে। চল এগোনো যাক। চল 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 সবাই চল। নদীর ধারে তাঁবু খাটিয়ে ওরা বেরিয়ে পড়ল। 2 ঘন্টা চলার পর দেখলো আশেপাশে এক অদ্ভুত বন। গাছে গাছে অজানা ফল, কোনোটার ছোঁয়ায় হাত জ্বলে, কোনোটার গন্ধে মাথা ঘোরে। ওরে মা গোরে, এই কি বিচ্ছিত গন্ধটা বাবা!
ইউ, ইট ইজ স্টিংকিং এভরিওয়্যার।
अरे बाप रे!
আরে কি হলো?
हाय हाय मेरा हाथ जल गया।
কি হলো? আরে আরে এগুলো তো দেখছি মন্ত্রপুত। সাবধান। আরে হ্যাঁ, এ কি? ওমা! ওরে বাপ রে, এ কি আওয়াজ গো?
वो वहाँ कोई है। Is it a human or a monkey? না রে, এটা তো একেবারেই অন্য জাত। লাল লাল ফুল ছোপ। আমি ওর নাম দিলাম হেরাফেরাসিয়া। हेराफेराशियस? नहीं नहीं, हेराफेरी। अरे नो नो, ही इज सेइंग हायराफेरोशियस। अरे ना रे, हेराफेरोशियस, বুঝলি? উফ, তোদের নিয়ে পারছি না আমি আর। হেরাফেরাসিয়া, বুঝলি? ও আচ্ছা। আরে দেখি চঞ্চা, এদিকে তো। হ্যাঁ মামা, কেকটা জ্যাম্বরটি দিয়ে দেখতো। ঠিক আছে। এ না মামা, জ্যাম খাবি? জ্যাম। এই তোরা দেখলি হেরাফেরাসিরা কেমন খাই খাই? হ্যাঁ দেখলাম তো। তোদের মনে আছে সুকুমার রায়ের খাই খাই কবিতাটা? হ্যাঁ মনে আছে তো, শুনবে? এই দেখ, এখানে কত ফল পড়ে আছে না? হ্যাঁ। দেখ, এটা কত সুন্দর। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, খেয়ে দেখ তো। ও মা গো, মরে গেলাম পেট ব্যথা। কি হয়েছে ভাইয়া? তোমারা তো পেট ही चल दिया। এই দেখ দেখ, ওইখানে কিছু একটা তাকিয়ে আছে না? কই? হ্যাঁ তো, মুখ এমন যেন শত বছর ধরে রাগে আছে। মামা, এ দেখো, এটা কে গো? আমি ওর নাম দিলাম গোমরাথেরিয়াম। কেন কেন? তোর মুখটা দেখ না সবাই, খিটখিটে লাগে যেন সব সময় চটে থাকে। ঠিক বলেছো মামা, এ বেটা একদম রামগরুরের ছানা। এই চল তো, একে ধরে হাসানো যা। হ্যাঁ চল। বাবা ভয় লাগছে কোথায় নদীর সাইডে তাকাচ্ছে What is that? अरे एक तो लखा गन्स पैजनी ये हो चटकाए मामा मामा एके बाड़ी निये जाई ना मामा please no 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 don't you know as per the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972 we cannot keep any wild animals in a cage at home जा बाबा ভাবলাম একে বাড়ি দিয়ে গিয়ে সবাইদেরকে দেখাবো সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে রিলস পোস্ট করব ভাইরাল হব সেটাও আর হলো না বেশি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় পোস্ট করতে হবে না দেখবি কি যে পোস্টে দেখে বাড়িতে পুলিশ চলে এসেছে তখন টেরটি পাবে বাবা এ তো দেখছে আজব জি অনেকটা ট্যাশ গরুর মতন তাই না হ্যাঁ
আসলে পাখি সে যার খুশি
চিরকাল উঠবে তারা যদি সব থাকে ত্যাগ করুক দিতে সস্তায় দিতে পারি দেখো বলে চিনতে সস্তায় দিতে পারি দেখো বলে চিনতে সস্তায় দিতে পারি দেখো বলে চিনতে আমি জানি রে ওরে মামা রে এখানে মামা এর পায়ে কাঁটা ঢুকে গেছিল আমি খুলে দিয়েছি এখন এটা আমার পেছনে পেছনে চলে এসেছে নাম রাখা যাক ল্যাংরাথেরিয়াম We have a Hanglatherium in our locality. Sir, Siam Chinese. Hanglatherium ना, Langratherium. चंचल, तू बोल रहा था ना कि उस चिड़िया को पकड़कर घर ले जाएगा और पिंजरे में बंद कर देगा কিন্তু মামা তো করতে দিল না সত্যি বরং এক কাজ কর এই ল্যাংরাথেরিয়ামকে নিয়ে যা ইয়ে I think it's a good idea. The creature must have lost its way into the forest and was attacked by wild animals. If anyone can take care of it, we can give it a new life. अरे अरे ওরে বাবা ওরে বাবা এই বলছিস না নিয়ে যা না আমরা একে নেব না 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 আরে তারপর কি হলো দিম্মা চঞ্চল কি ওকে নিয়ে বাড়ি ফিরে গেল একদমই ওরা ওকে নিয়ে কলকাতায় ফিরে এলো তাহলে চলো না দিম্মা আমরাও একটা এরকম অভিযানে যাই তাহলে আমরাও কত কিছু দেখতে পারবো শিখতে পারবো আর জানতে পারবো
তাহলে আমরাও আমাদের বাড়িতে নিয়ে আসতে পারবো ল্যাংরাথেরিয়াম পার্ট 2
Friends, after an incredible journey through nature's wonders, one always feels rejuvenated and inspired. Adventures remind us of the importance of protecting wildlife. Every species, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Let us cherish and respect our queer friends, birds, and all animals. By doing so, we not only preserve biodiversity, but also ensure a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. Let us be wildlife warriors, creating awareness and encouraging others to care and take action against conservation of all different types of living things that exist on Earth. Together, we can make a difference and create a world where humans and wildlife live in harmony. Thank you.
I have gotten information. Heard that we will be doing that film of Antonio Banderas.
Shh! You're not supposed to leak it out. But since the cat's already out the bag, yes, ladies and gentlemen, our next presentation is inspired by a film starring Antonio Banderas. It's a story that will stay with you long after the final scene.
Our senior school students present a powerful stage adaptation of the Hollywood motion picture Take the Lead.
It is inspired from the true story of a French dance teacher, Pierre Dulin, whose belief in a bunch of delinquents changed their lives forever.
Prepare for rhythm, resolve, and a whole lot of heart.
Calm down. Calm down, Mr. Ray. How?
How? Suddenly there was a UFO in the class.
You're watching Star Trek too much.
Madam Principal, I say you're UFO. It came flying from the northwest side of the class and struck right here.
Silence! Behave yourselves.
See, look at these hooligans. They don't know how to respect their teachers.
Calm down, Mr. Ray. Go to the sick room for first aid. Thank you.
One
Enough.
day, you all are going to the jail.
As for you all, spit that gum out. As for you all will serve detention. 2 hours after school, extra maths classes for you. I shall hear no excuses. Is that clear? That will be all, students. As I said, detention after school. This is your consequence. You all may leave.
Excuse me, ma'am. A gentleman wants to meet you, ma'am.
Goodness gracious. You're informing me now? Please usher him in quickly.
May I come in, madam?
Yes, please. Ah, Mr. Malhotra. Welcome, welcome. Please have a seat. Brother Jose recommended you highly for this position. You see, I'm banking on you a lot to improve the math grades of my senior school.
I'm sorry, madam, but there must be some misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? I'm sure we can iron out the creases, sir. I will speak to the board regarding any misunderstanding. Mr. Malhotra?
Saunders.
Sorry?
The name is Joshua Saunders.
Ramesh? Where is Mr. Malhotra? You said he was waiting for me.
My resume, madam.
Resume? Mr. Joshua Saunders, you've got an excellent GPA. Dance? Look, Mr. Saunders, we don't have the vacancy of a dance teacher. I need a maths and physics teacher urgently.
But ma'am, I can teach maths and physics through dance.
Look, Mr. Saunders, the class 12 board exams are breathing down my neck. I really am in no mood for humor. Ramesh! And please stop standing and sitting down like that. Makes you look like a jack in the box.
But ma'am, how can a man sit when the lady is standing?
I see. Mr. Saunders, can you turn around a bunch of delinquents?
Sure.
They are habitual rule breakers, indisciplined, rebellious, and unruly. But I see in them potential to do better. Can you turn them around?
Yes, ma'am.
In 3 months. 3 months is all that I will give you.
3 months it is.
You're hired, Mr. Joshua Saunders. Congrats. Ramesh, call those students.
Yes, ma'am.
Best of luck, Mr. Saunders. Now take the lead.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramesh, please help Mr. Saunders and vacate the area.
Go. Move. 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 You children will go to jail one day.
It looks like a physics teacher. Huh?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Joshua Saunders, and you are?
Detention holders.
I beg your pardon?
Detention holders.
Detainees, you mean? Names, please.
Nafis, class 9.
Nafis, go stand over there. Because I said so.
Roshni Joshi.
A bit loudly, madam.
Roshni Joshi.
Rogan Josh. That's what we call her, Mr. Saw.
Durs. The name is Saunders, please. Roshni Joshi, a very sparkling name. Go stand over there. Chintamani, go stand over there.
Rocky Gupta, 90.
Mr. Gupta, go stand over there. Chintamani, go back. Move forward. Rocky in the center. Roshni over there. Keep your bags. Now take 2 steps forward. Slowly, slowly. 2 steps sideways. Quickly, quickly. Slow, slow. Quick, quick. So everyone, let's go slow, slow, quick, quick.
Back off, Mirchi. You pull in a China shop.
Mirchi, come over here.
You better watch out, Pigtail.
Pigtail, what are these names?
Mithul Mirchandani, aka Mirchi. Saunders, sir. Pigtail is Peggy Chopra.
Peggy Chopra. And you are?
He's Deep Banik and I am Sapna.
Mirchi, go back. Today, we all are learning the fox trot. What's the matter? Is everything okay at home?
No, sir.
Any way I can help? Maybe your principal, ma'am?
No use, sir. Every evening I wait for the clock to strike 11. I pull the pillow over my ears so that I don't have to hear the arguments between my parents. My dad drunk and brawling loudly. My mom throwing utensils at him. My father losing his cool and hitting my mother. She crying out in pain. I rush into the toilet to drown the voices, but they keep coming back. In the middle of the night, in my room, when I'm walking back home. Except when I'm dancing. I find my peace and tranquility there. Each step I take gives me a sense of balance and purpose. Brings me closer to hope.
Parents and teachers, please be quiet. Ramesh, pass the mic.
Principal ma'am, your dance teacher telling us about our children. I know what to tell you. I think this is why do
calm down. We are all on the same side. We are all batting for our children. We are not opponents.
Madam, may I?
Sure.
Dance has always been a way. Communities taught manners, discipline, and cooperation. In history, we show young people how societies kept order through ritual and practice. This is only a modern and a kinder version. Give the children structure and they respond.
একদমই তাই। নাচ শুধু রোজকার আনন্দ নয়, এটা আত্মবিশ্বাস দেয়, একে অপরের উপর বিশ্বাস শেখায়। এই ছাত্র সমাজের জন্য এটা বড় উপকারী।
Correct.
নেচে নেচে দেশটা গেল।
सिर्फ नाच नहीं, इससे अनुशासन आता है, टीम वर्क आता है। बच्चों को अगर एक मौका मिले तो वो सुधर सकते हैं।
Madam, as a science teacher, I see no conflict between dance and textbooks. Physical activity improves concentration and memory. If their minds are calmer, their work will be more effective. I support a program that improves both their character and their cognitive abilities.
Parents are marked essays and given oral exams. Confidence matters. If Mrs. Saunders can help students stand up and speak, that will reflect in interviews and boards. From an academic point of view, I back him. From a human point of view, so do many of us here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, teachers.
Madam, may I?
Of course, go for it.
Miss Ray, please hold this for me. To do something, anything different, is hard. It's easier to blame the school, the teachers, or the children, environment, government. But even if you find a place to assign the blame, that doesn't make the blame go away. I am trying something new here. Let me show you. Madam, may I?
How dare he ask the principal to dance with him?
Parents, please let us respect a teacher.
Don't worry, madam. We'll just move. Like this. Like this. Are we walking or are we dancing? We are dancing. So you know how to walk, you know how to dance. Now, if the lady allows me to lead, she's trusting me. More than that, she's trusting herself. Now, if your 16-year-old daughter is strong, secure, and trusts herself, just how can a boy take advantage of her? And if your son learns how to touch a girl with respect, how will he treat ladies throughout his life? Of course, with respect.
Does anybody have any questions?
Yes, ma'am?
Do you take adult classes?
Only 1 month left, Mr. Saunders. You saw the move, now take the lead.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard about that Coldplay number? It's so damn fire.
I've found my team. You can do it. We just have 1 month left. Let's get going, everyone. Mr. Rocky Gupta, please hold on. Why were you absent for the last 4 days? The school office had no intimation from you or your family.
Because dance is not my world, sir.
What is your world like, Mr. Gupta? I want to know.
My world, sir, a hole in a soul. I have to stuff a cardboard into my shoes, sir. I still try to come to this school as it is better than my dingy 8 by 8 feet room, sir. Sick mother and I. She passed away. I was busy arranging money for her last rites. Good. One less mouth to feed now. Oh, may I leave, please?
Good morning, everyone. How about some waltz? Waltz is a dance where you need to trust the man. The man leads you. Please step forward. Yes. Can the boys blindfold their partners, please? No, it's not that we are misogynist. The man must have the power not to dominate the women, but to take her on a journey. Now, how you gentlemen take those ladies on that beautiful journey is for you to figure out.
It's here only. Oh God, why didn't Saunders tell us to tie these on their mouths, I wonder?
All the
ব্লেজারটা ঠিক করে রাখতে।
Mobile phones are to be kept on silent. Photography, videography, and the consumption of food and water are strictly prohibited within the auditorium.
Oh my God, the bell has rung. Ramesh, where are the flowers, the lapels, the mic? Where is Mr. Saunders?
Ma'am.
Mr. Saunders, today is a very important day. Today is our school's annual concert. A lot is at stake today. The experiment that you started Oh my God. Are they my children? You all are looking so good. Mr. Saunders, in all my 35 years of career as an educator, I have never seen such a transmogrification. I never imagined this day would come. You have truly made me proud, Mr. Saunders. Best of luck, everyone. Take the lead.
Listen, no one expects anything from you. So you have nothing to lose. When I look around you all, I only see a bunch of choices. Choices that you are making. I do not see any delinquents, any rejects. No. Maybe, just maybe, a bunch of punks. Take the lead, my dears.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, parents, friends, and well-wishers. I extend a warm welcome to our annual school concert 2025. Every concert begins with a story, sometimes of discovery, sometimes of hard work. Tonight's story is one of transformation. Not very long ago, we were the discounted, the dejected, the rejected punks, the ones no one expected much from. But a teacher walked into our lives and saw something different. Not trouble, but potential. Not defiance, but spirit. So tonight we stand before you not as detainees, but as performers, ready to take the lead. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Cha-Cha-Cha.
we have the labeled troublemakers and rule benders. Some parents here might recall those memorable meetings where a creative bunch decided to redesign the school car. Well, those same spirited souls are back, not to cause chaos, but to create rhythm. So put your hands together as those same spirited performers are back with salsa and flamenco.
Ya está, el mismo video cielo y te relleno con tres. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y te has sentido de toda mi vida con tu querer. ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा. No debí en la mirada que te cerca de mí. Me busco bajo el dinero, Sementina, señorita. Ya quiero volver el baile. No diga mi camarera, no pasó todo a ojalá. Pude acabar la camarera. Ma potré interpretar el sentido de la palabra que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirada me hace sentir como la más bella señorita. Digamos, जो भी अरमानों की रास्ता है señorita, चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में की जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, सेन्योरिटा, सेन्योरिटा. आगे तो बल्ली में पाए, दुनिया में भी कम है क्या, तो बदलो तो आओ हो जाए.
If you have any doubt in yourself, just stay at home. But if you even see a dot, a glimmer of belief in yourself, you have what it takes to win. It is the strongest weapon for winners.
Thank you, Mr. Saunders, for making us believe in ourselves. It is because of you today we can take the lead.